that's Uganda. Who is the manufacturer of the and also she works with so whenever we come here, so that's the case.
My name is Tomotaka Yoshimura.
Tomotaka Yoshimura.
Oh yeah.
Salongo Warugembe Mutesa kutta kulimu ki. Salongo Basamula Mwanga. Salongo Bukajumbe Daudijwa. Salongo Mutesa Olukoba basinze nnyo basinze ge. Salongo basinze nnyo n'amafumu gammwe, basinze nnyo n'engabo zammwe. Salongo basinze nnyo n'amafumu gammwe, basinze nnyo n'abalongo bammwe, basinze ge. Salongo mwebale okuuma ekibuga wamu n'okukiyonja. Mukama wange Salongo Warugembe Mutesa, tuli mu mbuga y'eno amakya ga leero ng'olina omugenyi wo, abagenyi bo be wakkiriza okukyala mu mbuga yo. Olwaleero mukama wange olina omugenyi wo okuva e Japan. Erinnya lyo zibuzibu mukama wange, naye lyeryo. Mukama wange azze okulaba ku mirimu gyo n'emirimu bo bennyini gye bateekamu obuuma okulaba nga gitambula era wa we gituuse mukama wange.
So you are most welcome to KASUBI Tombs. This is the main house called Muzibu azaala mpanga. So this is the house of Bassekabaka Mutesa the first, who called upon the wise to come to Uganda to teach people the ways, civilization. So this is it. This house, as you can see the rings, those rings, they represent the clans of the Buganda. In Uganda, we are having 56 clans. So each clan is being represented by a ring itself. Mutesa the first had 84 wives. So all those 84 wives, they were staying in this house. So for us here, we pass through hereditary system. Whenever someone dies, we get another one. Whenever someone passes away, we get another one. So behind you, those are the ladies, some of the wives of the king. As you can see them with background. The one besides you, she's called Nalinya, and she's the leader or the boss of the wives. So she's the one. Those are the wives, and even this side, these are the wives of Kabaka Mwanga and Kabaka Mutesa the second. So they are also the wives. These are the workers from Leopard clan who were supposed to do this work, or who did this work, which was seen, of reconstructing or making the rings of the house. So here we are about to finish up with the background. So that's it.
Maybe in regard to the Japanese period for this project, if you look inside, you'll see some of the fire textiles, and so partly because the Japanese government, when KASUBI TOMBS got back in 2010, immediately the government of Japan was among the state parties that came out to support the reconstruction of this place.
Our minister here knows Japanese very well, so we can.
Shigoto, Omoina, Okane, Japan sponsorship is Shigoto, yes.
Get some measures not to get another fire here. So yeah, so that project we are having around of the water system is to prevent anything which can occur. I don't know whether you can you know how to do what it is. This is concrete. Yeah, just look like this.
200.
So, the baskets what you are seeing here are the baskets of the kings. So, you may put something heavy as in money. If you are not prepared about it, it's okay. But if you are prepared, it's okay to put in the basket for the resembling of the kings that you are around.
It's okay if you don't come with it. It's okay. We can wait for you.
Can you present them?
Can you do like this?
Domo.
And the other one?
Your Excellency.
Now, and the last one?
Mane musobola okumubuuzaako omuvvuunuzi waaki abakyala.
They are going to greet you.
Bw'oba obuuza kati okumakya babuuza ohayo gazaimaasi obudde buba bwa misana haikonyitibwa.
So from here, we have a water pump point and power control point where all this is being triggered and the other side so that you are able to recognize.
Ekitongole kyaffe kya UNESCO kyekyawa gavumenti ya Buganda amazzi gano kuzikiza ng'omuliro era mu kitaka kita UNESCO era bonna baatuula ne baagala okulaba nga KASUBI addawo. Kakati Abajapani bano bwe mulaba be baatuwa ebyuma bino byonna ebiri modern bye mulabye bisobole okuzikiza omuliro. Singa KASUBI akwata omuliro bituyamba. N'ekyo tuzze kubeebaza ambasade nakwe kukya wano. Amanyago Ampita Joanita abatuusa nkunge kolera mu UNESCO. Obufalansa.
Okay. Mujjukira ebyabaawo amasiro gano bwe gakwata omuliro kaakati nno okusinziira ku bakabaka bwa Buganda nga bayambibwako abantu ab'enjawulo mikwano gyaffe baateekawo ekifo kino okulaba nga kiyambako singa wabeerawo embeera ng'eyo yaliwo bagamba okwerinda si buti. So n'olwekyo omukulu atunyonyodde ku migaso enjolo ekifo kino gye kiina era n'obwerinde bwe kiina newankubadde nga amasannyalaze gavuddeko gwatulaba n'anaalaba emboozi eno bagamba nti gasobola ebyuma bino bisobola okumanyikinga embeera eyo oba okusobozesa embeera eyo okubanga omuliro guluzikizibwa newankubadde nga amasannyalaze galiko.
William Buhoya. I work for Gloria Fire Protection. We are the ones who supplied this system here. That's the control panel which controls all these pumps. We have 3 pumps. One is the smaller pump, which is the jockey. That one, its work is to make sure that the line has, the pressure in the line is maintained. So for it, when you open a few hose reels or one hydrant, then that one can work. Now, if the demand is more than that one can manage, then the bigger pump comes in, which is called the main pump. So this one, the 2 pumps, jockey pump and main pump are electric. So for them, they work with electricity. But now, when there is no electricity, then we have a 3rd pump,
Yes.
which is diesel-driven engine. For it will work when there is no power. Because fire can start when there is no power.
Yes.
So they should be able to fight fire even when there is no power.
My name is Yoshimura from Embassy of Japan, Deputy Head of Mission. And it is our pleasure that Japan, in cooperation with UNESCO and Uganda, to implement this project. And culture is one of key pillars in cooperation with between Japan and Uganda, and between Japan and UNESCO. And it is a good example that trilateral cooperation with Japan, Uganda and UNESCO, we can protect very important cultural heritage of Uganda.
An international UNESCO heritage list, and they were put on the list of endangered sites. So in September this year, there is a conference in Saudi Arabia where we think that KASUBI tombs is going to be removed from the endangered list of historical sites. We hope that this historical site is going to be restored on the tourism list of the international community. Majorly, what was recommended by UNESCO is being worked on, and we hope that in a very short time, much of the big work will be done. As you see, we are working on the courtyard, we are working on the fencing, the decoration inside is moving on quite well, and the floor is also being worked on. Of course, there could be some other small aspects that we should continue working on, but all the major aspects, we expect them to be completed before the end of this year.
Seeing in the subsequent fire drills. And so we are asking them not to have that laxity, and we are calling especially the wives who are staying here to also know that in case of any ring or any sound of the bell, they should come out. They should come out and see what has happened, because this can come when it is any of the houses that has got burnt, not necessarily Muzibu, azaala, mpanga, but any of the houses, because within this 13 years period, we have had some houses here get burnt.
To see it that we see all working together so that we merge them together and we have a successful work. So, us as contractors, we have done our part. We have trained those people who always are on the ground to see how they can use these equipments that were funded by the government of Japan.
Simbira